Now, let us consider this question given to us. We are given that we should integrate x multiply by root 2x plus 1 and then multiply by dx. So at this point, let's make a very simple substitution. So we say let u be equal to root of 2x plus 1. So at this point, if we take the square of both sides, we have that u squared will be equal to 2x plus 1. So we have it that u squared minus 1 will be equal to 2x, plus x will be equal to u squared minus 1 divided by 2. So we have that x is equal to 1 divided by 2, u squared minus 1. Now we have obtained the value of x. Let us obtain the expression for dx. Now, if we differentiate this with respect to u, this becomes 1 divided by 2 multiply by 2u du. And 2 can cancel out 2. We are left with u du. So therefore, dx is equal to u du. So we have the value of the x and we have the value of x. Let us substitute this value into the integral given to us. So we have integral of x root of 2x plus 1 dx will now be equal to x is given as 1 divided by 2 open bracket u squared minus 1, and root of 2x plus 1 is u, and the x is given as u du. So by simplifying, we have that u times u is u squared. So we have 1 divided by 2, which is a constant integral of u squared minus 1 multiply by u squared du. So we use this u squared here to open up the bracket. So we have that 1 divided by 2 will be given as integral of u to the power of 4 minus u squared or du. So upon integrating, we have that this is 1 over 2 open bracket u to the power of 5 divided by 5 minus u to the power of 3 divided by 3 plus c, which is a constant of integration. Now, if we take LCM here, this becomes 1 divided by 2 multiply by 3u to the power of 5 minus 5u to the power of 3 divided by 15 plus c. So we can take out the denominator. So 15 times 2 is 30. So we have 1 divided by 30, open bracket 3u to the power of 5 minus 5u to the power of 3 plus c. Now we can substitute the value of u. Recall that u is equal to root of 2x plus 1. So this becomes 1 divided by 30, open bracket 3. We have 2x plus 1 to the power of 5 minus 5. We have root of 2x plus 1 all to the power of 3, close the bracket, plus c. So at this point, from the loss of indices, we have that 1 divided by 30, open bracket, this becomes 3, and this is 2x plus 1 to the power of 5 divided by 2 minus 5 multiplied by 2x plus 1 to the power of 3 divided by 2 plus c. So if we further simplify, this becomes 3 divided by 30 multiplied by 2x plus 1 to to the power of 5 divided by 2 minus 5 divided by 30 multiplied by 2x plus 1 to the power of 3 divided by 2 plus c. So if 3 come here, we have 1. 30 divided by 3, we'll be left with 10. If 5 come here, we have 1. 30 divided by 5, we're left with 6. Therefore, we have it that this becomes 2x plus 1 all to the power of 5 divided by 2 all divided by 10 minus 2x plus 1 all to the power of 3 divided by 2 divided by 6 plus c. So at this point, we have been able to integrate the function given to us. Thank you so much for watching. And if you know you found the video helpful, please encourage us by liking this video and subscribing to our channel. Thank you so much for doing that. And I will see you in my next video.